How to make no one can see my inventory on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see my inventory on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and go down, click settings and then click here privacy, and now just go down and you will find who can see my inventory here. Click friends and then select no one, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.